All right, going in with Advanced Night Repair. This is the AM and PM Advanced Night Repair Gel Cream. Good for hydration, lines. You could place it on top for the crepiness and dryness. Then I'm going in with Moisture Surge from Clinique 100 Hour Replenishing Hydration, Aloe Vera, Biofermant. Lots of hydration, smoothness. Now I'm going to take the 2 spoons. I'm going to do my lifting. I do this every night. It's the face massage with the spoons. I keep them in the refrigerator so they're nice and cool. And then I just applicate my moisturizer. I just do these 2 steps at night. I don't want to overdo the skin, so I'm not doing a serum. I'm just doing the moisturizer and the eye cream base for my night routine with my face massage. And that's all I do. Some nights is just less is more. And that's perfect. Now I'm using the lip serum. This is from Estee Lauder. Super hydrating. And I like how it just keeps the lips hydrated throughout the whole evening.